Once the freshwater tank is approximately half full, that water and all the debris has moved to the debris tank. In order to free up space for additional debris, we need to dewater the tank. The first step in dewatering the tank is to shut the truck down. There are 3 drains on the tank, one on each side near the tag axle. The third drain is located on the door. The 2 drains underneath are filtered. The drain in the door is not. Once the water has drained from the tank, you can close the valves and go back to work. If you plan on removing both the solid and liquid waste from the debris tank, it's important to remember to keep a small amount of fresh water in the tank so that you can use it to rinse out the debris. To completely dump the debris tank, the truck will need to be running. With your hydraulic control power on, turn on the transfer pump. This provides the required water pressure for rinsing out the tank. The controls for the rinse header are located on the left side of the truck. Open this valve so that the rinse header is rinsing the inside of the tank as we dump. There are 2 sets of controls for the debris tank. One is located here, near the tank, and the other is inside the cab. Moving this lever up will unlock and open the rear door. Next, we'll use this lever to tilt the tank up. The lever to the far left will turn on the vibrator. This will help the debris come out of the tank. Depending on the type of debris in the tank, it may take some time for the rinse header and vibrator to completely remove the debris. After the bulk of the debris has been removed from the tank, turn off the rinse header by closing the valve. Now go to the opposite side of the truck and remove the rinse hose from the toolbox. Attach the hose to the wash hose connection point near the back of the truck, and then open the valve. Use the nozzle to completely clean the inside of the tank. Pay particular attention to the media paper. Use the hose to get as much debris off it as possible. The cleaner the tank stays, the less buildup you'll see over time. Once the tank is clean, use the nozzle to clean off the black rubber seal on the tank. And then rinse the door where it meets the seal. When you're done, remove and drain the hose and then put it back in the toolbox. You can now lower the tank and close the door.